Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, how are you guys? Everyone prepared questions?
We're fine.
Hmm?
What questions?
I told right to prepare questions.
I actually forgot to prepare the questions.
You
Which
forgot.
questions, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
I wrote in the group, right? I sent the
Ma'am, I
PDF.
didn't check the group yesterday.
Not yesterday after class itself. I gave.
Yeah, that time means I don't open. I don't open WhatsApp after that time. And if I open, I don't see the academic.
Arham, did you do? No. Then Razi,
Yes, ma'am.
did you write question, prepare question?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, tomorrow we'll
Why?
prepare it.
No, why did I tell you guys to do that, right? Because if you prepare the questions, what will happen is you will know what are all written in this
Ma'am, if you
in the
give
book.
5 minutes, we can prepare it right now.
No, no, no. On Saturday, everyone should do that, right? Can you mute yourself? Yes. So on Saturday, you all have to prepare. Okay. Yes, Razi and Arham and Zikra. Zikra, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
You're there. Okay, what you have to do is you have to prepare question from page number 50. What did I write? From 57, right? So from 57, right? NCRT textbook. I have to look into NCRT textbook. 57 to 50, no, to 62. 57 to 62. Okay. From there you prepare questions and what will happen? All of you will ask each other questions. Okay. Based upon that, you all will get score. Okay. Yes, Zikra
Yes, ma'am.
and Arham. Yeah, if
Yes, ma'am.
anyone didn't answer your question, what will happen is you will get points, right? Though the person who raises their hand first will answer the question first. It's like that. Okay, understood, everyone?
Ma'am, page number?
I told from 57, from the starting of the chapter, fundamental unit of life, to 62.
Ma'am, but my book is different. My first chapter is only the fundamental unit of life.
No, no, I gave the PDF
Oh,
in the WhatsApp
PDF.
also. Yeah.
Okay.
You can check in the PDF for those
Yeah.
who don't have books, right? Check in the PDF. PDF is given. Okay. Now let's start our class. So last time we did nucleus, right? Function of nucleus, and one more important function. It controls all the activities. Okay. So what will happen if this? What is protoplasm? First, I have to say. What is protoplasm? It is nucleus plus cytoplasm. Okay.
Ma'am, protoplasm contains of nucleus and cytoplasm, no?
Yes. And inside the cytoplasm, we have our organelles, right? Cell organelles. Hmm? Now, in virus, you see, they are not considered as living. Why? Because they don't have this protoplasm. Okay, this was the point I was still making. This virus, what is virus is made up of? The virus are made up of. Can you say?
Genes?
Genetic material. What is its genetic material? It could be
Hmm.
RNA or DNA. It could be RNA or DNA.
Okay. Oh, RNA.
RNA or DNA. Okay, good Anand. And next, and protein code. It is covering this RNA and DNA, and it is called capsid. Then some viruses will have the covering, outer covering of lipid. Okay. So what are these viruses? They are microorganisms. They are not alive. Okay. When they are present in our surrounding, then they are not alive. If they get inside a living organism, then only they become alive. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Advika. Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah. Only I talked about the protoplasm. Okay, it is made up of nucleus and what cytoplasm, and then viruses.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Viruses don't have protoplasm. Because of that, they are not considered as living. When they get inside a living organism, they have the medium. Otherwise, they won't have the medium, right? This okay. Everyone understood. Now we'll get into this prokaryote and eukaryote. Pro means primitive and carry on means nucleus. So this prokaryotes, they don't have nuclear membrane. They lack nuclear membrane. They are primitive. The organisms which doesn't contain nuclear membrane, they are called prokaryotes. And eukaryotes, we have the it means true, and carry on means nucleus, true nucleus. Okay, so this eukaryotes, I have talked about nucleus, right? How they have proper nucleus structure, like they have the nuclear membrane, nuclear core, and nucleoplasm, all that stuff. And the prokaryote, they don't have. They have nucleoid. Okay, they have nucleoid. And what is that nucleoid? Can anyone tell?
What is?
Nucleoid. In prokaryotes, what will happen is they don't have proper nucleus structure, right? Nuclear membrane and all that. They have irregular shape.
Ma'am,
Yes,
nucleoid is a less developed nucleus.
yes, yes, and it contains the genetic material of prokaryotic organism. Okay, everyone understood? And this prokaryote cell, they have flagella for movement, and this fibrils for the this is filamentous structure, what it will do is it will bind it will bind to receptor, so that uh, this they can colonize, like they can settle in somewhere. So these bacteria
Ma'am,
have
what is
brain.
this? F? Ma'am,
What?
what is fimbriae?
Ah, fimbriae. I'll write here properly. Fimbriae. Okay. And they have ribosome, and they have plasma membrane, and they have mesosome. And in mesosome only, what will happen here is mesosome. Inside mesosome, DNA replication and protein synthesis. Also, they increase
Ma'am, it is
surface
DNA.
area. Replication,
Okay.
making of the DNA, okay? Synthesis. And we have respiration, aerobic respiration also. This will increase the surface area. These all are the function of mesosome, okay? Now we'll
Ma'am,
go
can you
here.
zoom into mesosomes once again? I want to write the last one. Ma'am, it is increased surface area.
Yes.
Okay.
Next we have here, we'll see the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. The size, it will be generally small. It is small, and eukaryote, it is large.
Ma'am,
Then
can you
this,
explain one more thing again?
which one?
Ma'am, nucleoid.
Nucleoid. They are irregular shaped region which is contained in the prokaryotic cell, because they don't have the nucleus. They are not clear, and they contain genetic material. Okay, DNA.
Means nucleoid contains genetic materials.
Hmm? Yes.
Nucleoid contains.
Yeah, chromosome, and that chromosome is circular. Okay. After
Hello,
that, chromosome
hello,
is helical. Yes.
hello.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have a
Arpita.
Ma'am, you said that prokaryotic doesn't have a nucleus. Ma'am, it has a nucleus, but it's not well defined, right?
Yeah. That's what I mean.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Don't get confused. Okay. and that well-defined nucleus is our nucleoid. Then here the chromosome is single, and here we have more than one nucleus absent, and here it is present. All the membrane-bound organelles, cell organelles, are absent in prokaryotic cells. All these organelles. Then we have the organism blue-green algae. Examples: this, all, us, and fungi plants. Then cell division by binary fission and budding. Here we have mitosis and meiosis, mitotic. This is mitotic and this is meiotic. We can say it as mitosis also and meiosis. Okay. Now, anyone? Yes, Zikra. Zikra, tell me, what is the function of mesosome? Zikra?
What is the function of mesosomes?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, DNA
No,
replication.
no, 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 no. You know, you have written. No, I'm asking Zikra. Zikra, tell me, Zikra.
What?
Uh, what is the function of mesosome in the prokaryote?
I can't hear you.
You're not able to hear me. Hello?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the function of mesosome in prokaryotic cells? Zikra, turn on your camera. Are you telling something, Zikra? I'm not able to hear you.
Hello, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat your question, please?
What is the function of mesosome? Advika, 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 you're there? Okay, Arham.
Mesosome is DNA replication.
Yeah, its function is DNA replication. Then
Um,
you don't have to look. I won't show.
uh,
Tell me, Aram.
Protein. Like I
Protein,
think it has.
protein
I protein. Um,
synthesis.
oh yeah, synthesis. I just remember you said protein and then something. I don't remember what was that word. Protein synthesis.
Okay. In yes, sir.
May I answer?
Hmm?
May I answer for this question?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Arham,
mesosome
is
does
okay.
protein
Tell me.
synthesis,
Hmm.
DNA replication,
Hmm.
aerobic replication, respiration, sorry. Aerobic.
Respiration.
Ma'am, it also increases surface area.
Yes, that's all. It's very easy, right, Shazan? And Advika, you're there. Razi,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, tell me difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes.
Ma'am, prokaryotic cells are less developed than eukaryotic cells. They have no nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cell contains a nucleoid, but eukaryotic cells contain the whole developed nucleus.
Okay, correct. Very good.
Uh, and
What about the
eukaryotic,
chromosome? What about the chromosome?
ma'am, prokaryotic cells contains of only one or two chromosomes, but a eukaryotic cell contains more than
Many,
two.
many chromosomes. Okay.
Examples of eukaryotic cells are fungi and animals. Prokaryotic cells. I don't prokaryotic cells examples.
Blue-green algae, mycoplasma.
Ma'am,
Okay,
what?
mycoplasma.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we'll go for this cytoplasm. It is the fluid content of the cell, right? Inside cell we have the fluid content, right? All the fluid contains is cytoplasm, and they have cell organelles.
So,
Okay. They help in the exchange of materials between the cell organelles, and they are also storehouse of many vital vitamins. I mean, molecules like the amino acid, glucose, vitamin, and iron, etc. And they are site for certain metabolic pathway like glycolysis. What is glycolysis? Here, what will happen? Glucose will get converted into pyruvic acid. I will write properly. Yes. Okay. In doing so, we'll get the ATP and NADP. Okay. NADH, and ATP. These are the energy molecules. So this reaction will occur in the cytoplasm. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Understood?
Ma'am, waiting this, I need to write you.
Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You are there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I had gone, ma'am. I'm a little sick today, so I just gone to have my medicine.
Okay. So, did you hear everything I
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was listening. Ma'am, I was listening.
said? Uh, you have activity, okay? Did you see? Did you prepare question, Advika?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
can you repeat it?
We, I told you guys to prepare questions, right? Did you prepare?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last class, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've done it.
You have done very good. Yeah, great. Okay, you have done. Next time the others will also do. Okay. Then we'll have the
Ma'am, actually, in our school
question
also, we
answer.
have a very similar activity to this. Ma'am, so I done this before only, so I used it in school also.
Okay, that's great. And so, Shazan, Razi, Arham, Zikra, everyone,
It is unique. What it is written, ma'am? It's too small. I can't see. Can you zoom in? Yeah, what it is written, ma'am?
pyruvic acid.
Pyruvic acid. Okay.
Okay.
I'm done with the writing.
Okay, next we have this the cell organelles. We'll get into the cell organelles, okay? And what are those? First one we'll go for the endoplasmic reticulum, ER. There are two types. They are tubular-like structure. And, okay. If the endoplasmic reticulum has ribosome contain
What
ribosome.
is RER and SER?
It is short form of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic
Ma'am,
reticulum.
in a bracket, can you write full form for both of them, please?
Okay. Then can I write it like this? Is it okay, Shazan? They contain ribosome. That's why it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth when they don't have the ribosome. Okay. Now this is the site of what is that? Protein synthesis, and this thing, this thing, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is its function? Can you tell me, Razi? What does it synthesize?
Ma'am, did you ask me the question?
Yes, Razi. Yes, Razi.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Lipid and fats. Of lipid.
Ma'am, they produce lipid and fats.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that's why, and this helps in the building up of the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. So this process is called membrane biogenesis. Everyone got it?
I need to write.
What
I'm
is
done writing.
the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? It
It synthesizes
synthesizes.
lipid and fat,
uh,
helps building cell membrane.
so
Membrane.
this process is called the membrane biosynthesis, and this rough endoplasmic reticulum is synthesizes,
Contains ribosomes and protein.
which synthesizes protein.
Protein synthesis.
Okay. Now, this endoplasmic reticulum is also helpful in mechanical support of the cell.
Ma'am, for which one it is? SER or RER?
Both this rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, understood. Zikra,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me about the
Explain it again. Am
Which
I
one?
audible?
Which one?
Ma'am, function of smooth and endoplasmic reticulum.
Why is rough endoplasmic reticulum called rough endoplasmic reticulum? Because it contains ribosome, and smooth because it doesn't have ribosome. That's why it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this ribosome, it it helps in the process of protein synthesis. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, what does it do? It synthesizes lipid and fat, which help in the making of the cell membrane. Cell membrane, it is made up of a phospholipid, right? We have learned.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this smooth endoplasmic reticulum will make the lipid and fat, which help in the making of the cell membrane. And this is called membrane biosynthesis. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
No, biogenesis, not synthesis. Biogenesis. Okay? And this also helps in mechanical support of the cell. Understood, Zikra?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Very simple, tell me. Zikra, you can say.
Ma'am, endoplasmic reticulum is made up of
It is
lipids and
no, it is
fats.
tubular structure, okay, and it is of form. It is of two forms. One, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and rough endoplasmic
Rough
reticulum.
endoplasmic.
Yes, tell me, what is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum?
Uh,
These all are the important questions which will come in your exams, right? Tell me.
Ma'am, may I tell?
No, Zikra will tell. After that, you can tell Razi, okay?
What's the question?
Function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
May I?
No, Zikra will tell. Come on, Zikra.
ma'am,
Yes, yes, good, good. Tell me. Okay, I'll count three, till.
ma'am, can you tell me? I don't know.
I told you, right? It synthesizes lipid and fats. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth. How will you say this? Lipid. You think it as like lip. It is smooth. Something like that, and you can memorize, right? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lipid. Okay, lipid and fats. Okay, understood, Zikra?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yeah, which help in the formation of cell membrane, and this process is called membrane biogenesis. Now you can tell me, Zikra.
Ma'am,
Just tell me what is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
ma'am, it synthesizes lipids and fats,
Yes, great. Next,
and it helps in cell membrane.
helps in formation. I didn't write formation here,
Oh
but
yeah,
you can say. Yes, this process is called
membrane biogenesis.
biogenesis.
Biogenesis, yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Then, Razi, can you tell me about the rough endoplasmic reticulum?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum because they are ribosomes attached to its surface, which makes it rough.
Okay, then,
Uh, it helps in protein synthesis.
okay. Then we'll talk about next thing. When I give PDF, right, you can go through this. This next we have the Golgi apparatus. Okay, this is the structure of Golgi apparatus. You can say Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex. Shazan,
Yes, ma'am, what happened?
yeah, you are there.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. What are Golgi apparatus also known as? What are its other names? Tell me. If they ask what is Golgi complex, or if they ask what is Golgi bodies, or they ask Golgi apparatus, it's the same thing. Okay. And They have vesicles, this sac-like structures, vesicles, and vacuoles and crystals.
Ma'am, these are the notes
Yes,
which you show us.
yes,
Like this, which you present it on the class. These are all the notes, no, ma'am.
yes. These all are
Ma'am,
known.
how much class have you done for bio till now?
I think this is fifth, yeah, fifth lecture,
It is the
fifth lecture
fifth
or
lecture. So, ma'am,
ninth. Yeah.
ma'am, can you send all the 5 lectures again?
No, no. You can find this lecture in the Class Plus app.
Okay, we can find it. Okay, then.
Yeah, you can see right in biology.
For bio, I actually needed
Okay.
very practically because I'm not good at bio, and if I have it, so I can read it every time.
Yeah, you need PDF, right? PDF is also in the Class Plus app. Okay, you can find it there. It's in the lecture, study material lecture.
Ma'am,
Things
yeah,
like
I
that.
have study material.
Yes, from there you will find it. Now, this flattened structure is our cistern and it lies parallel to each other. What is its function? Main function it stores, modifies, and packs. That is its main function. Like every organelles, like cell organelles, what they do, they synthesize the the protein or lipid, fats, all that, right? What will Golgi apparatus do? It will take in and it will store and it will modify it, improve it, then it will pack, then it will secrete it. That is its function, this Golgi apparatus. Okay?
Ma'am, can you give me 2 minutes? I want to write it.
Yes, yes, tell me, Shazam.
Ma'am, actually, don't remove this. I want to write it right now.
What?
Ma'am, I want to write this.
Which one?
Yes.
Which one you
So
want to
can you
write?
zoom in a little bit?
No, no, you have the notes, right? You can write from there. I'll send you. It was discovered by Camilo Golgi. Shazan, you can write afterwards, right? Yeah, time is taking over. Yes. Shazan, tell me about the Golgi apparatus. The
Ma'am,
Golgi
Gaussian
apparatus. This
modifies.
this is the trans region and this is the cis region. Trans, we have the we have the mature.
Ma'am, is it called
This is
trans or is it called sans?
yes,
I remember what were those again? Are they called sans?
trans.
Oh, trans. Okay.
Trans, it is concave, right? And cis, it is convex. Listen, convex, this concave, convex. And this is the forming crystal. This is the formation forming. What I mean by this is this is our crystal, right? From here the formation will start. This is, and here we have the mature one, crystal. Here we have the crystal, mature crystal in the trans region, and in the cis region it is not mature. Okay, it is on formation, it is forming. Okay, everyone understood?
Can you explain this once again?
Okay, now here we have the Golgi apparatus, right? Trans region, this structure is called crystone. Okay, and this crystone, what will happen here is they from here it is forming. Okay, there is formation, and this region is called cis region, and uh, this region is called the trans, where the mature crystalline are present. Understood, Shazan?
Ma'am, still not.
This Golgi sac, right? This sac-like structure. This is crystalline. Okay, so from here there will be starting point, this cis region, and the mature point is the trans region. That's what I'm trying to tell. Did you understand now, Shazan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any doubt, Razi? What is the function of Golgi apparatus? Main function, it stores, modifies, and packs the products which comes from the other cell organelles, and then it secretes discharges. Okay. Shahzad. Shahzad. Yes. And then Razi, tell me about this Golgi apparatus. No, Arham will tell. No, Arham will tell. Yeah, Arham tell me.
What, ma'am?
Yes, about the Golgi apparatus. What is the function of Golgi apparatus?
It was just
It stores, it modifies, and it